Hi boys and girls, we're going to be working on this color by sight word sheet. And this is a fun sight word sheet that we get to work on and we get to color. But you can't color it whatever color you want. You have to look at the key. All right, so let's take the first look at this first sight word, go. So anytime you see the word go, you're going to color it R-E-D. What color is R-E-D? Red. So just so that I remember, I'm going to color this part red. So I remember when I see the word go, I'm going to color it red. All right, what sight word is this? C. Anytime we see the C on the reindeer, we're going to color it green. Green. So I'm going to get my green crayon out and I'm going to color this so I remember anytime I see the word C, I'm going to color it green. How about this word? What's this sight word? Me. Me. And anytime we see the word me, we're going to color that brown. Okay? Then our last one, my. My. We're going to use black anytime we see the word my. You see how I'm taking my time to do my best work coloring? Wonderful. All right, so let's take a look. Oh, there's the word me. What color do we color it? Brown. So I'm going to get my brown crayon out and I'm going to color this brown because it says me. Okay. Look at how I'm taking my time, getting all the white there. So our reindeer has really pretty brown antlers. Okay. So you would do the whole spot that this is on. So let's look for some more me. Oh, there's me also. So you would color the whole face me. Here's me also. His whole body is going to be. And his little tail. And oh, here's me. Here's me. 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 So you would color that whole spot. But I'm just coloring a little bit so that you guys can see. All right? Then I'll put that back and I'm ready to grab my next color. Anytime I see the word C, I'm going to color green. His hat is going to be green. How fun. Oh, this is going to be green on the hat too. Do you see any more C's? I don't. I think we got them all. All right. How about this word? Go. Anytime we see the word go, we're going to color what? Red. The tip of this is red because it says go and it has a little arrow pointing to it. Oh, there's another go. Another. Oh my goodness, look at all of them. Yes. This hat is really cute right here. It's going to be go. It's Rudolph because his nose is red. Wonderful. So you color all those spots red. Then the very last, the my's are going to be what color? Black. His hooves have my. So when you're done, it should be completely colored. And then I want you to take a picture and then record you saying these sight words. Go, see, me, my. All right, I can't wait to see your picture of your Rudolph. Make sure you follow the key and color it exactly how it's supposed to be. All right, have a great day.